And happening right now, community members in Star are out and about. They're still surveying damage from last night and beginning their process of cleanup. 12 News' Jade is there live. Jade, tell us what you're seeing out there.
Damage and destruction here in Star. This home is destroyed, and take a look over here. This camper crushed, and the tornado was so strong it even tossed this shed into the tree here. Now a total of 13 homes were affected by the twister. There was also a smaller tornado that spun into the woods in the Johns community, but the Rankin EOC director tells me no people or homes were impacted. Now I'm going to have a whole lot more coming up at 5. Live in Star, Jade, 12 News.
Thank you, Jade.